When you learn the Arabic language, first you learn the vocabulary. Second, you learn how this vocabulary is used in context, figurative, non-figurative, so that way you are able to speak like the people speak. You don't just go to the dictionary and find run and say, what is this person is earning? I gotta run it up. I run out of money. The dictionary doesn't say this. Why? Because these are things that are spoken. So likewise, the Arabic language is a spoken language, and you need to take it from the natives to know how to use it. So this is the theory. Now let's get into the practicality on how to make this happen. So the way how we do it at Andalus Institute, here I am in the dashboard. When you first go to the dashboard, you will see that you have different levels. So if I go into the first level, so I show you the first lesson on how to actually put this method of learning a language into practice, which is by memorizing vocabulary in context, so you understand that vocabulary, how the Arabs use it. So first you will go ahead and watch the lesson. So as you can see, first you go over the vocabulary lesson. You take new vocabulary, new expressions, you write it on your Mahfadat al-Mufradat, which we provide to you. Then you learn certain durus, like pronouns in this case. And then I teach you, for example, how to memorize it. And so the point is that you watch the lesson, you learn how this vocabulary is being used in context from contextual text, then you write it in your vocabulary wallet, and then you memorize it. Then once you feel ready, you mark this as watched, and you go ahead and book a call with your instructor. Tamam. So in this case, as you can see here, I have Ustad Yusuf, and students as well, if their Ustad doesn't have enough available slots, they can go ahead and check other instructors as well, or other available times with those instructors. And then what you do is you go ahead and you book a call with one of the instructors. And as you can see now, I have a booked appointment with my instructor that you can make sure you don't miss by looking at the class calendar. You will receive a message as well. So as you can see, it's this one right here. And when it's time to join, you go ahead and join the lesson. If you're interested into actually learning more about the structure and how it works and the nitty-gritties that I haven't gone over here, go to the first link in the description. It's going to bring you to our website, Andalus Institute. Read through it, watch the video in there, so you can learn better on how you can follow a proven step-by-step progress to actually get to the point where you are able to understand the Quran by yourself and understand Islam and have access to the scholars and the scholarly works. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.